I did want to round that out specific to the 635 Aero that I did in the unboxing 2 vlog episodes ago. I just wanted to go over a few metrics here, which I thought were really cool, specific to this and across HP's Pro and Elite lineup. First and foremost, even the box itself, the outer box is 100% sustainably sourced. And the fiber cushions that you see when you unbox the system, 100% sustainably sourced, 50% recycled aluminum lid. The speaker enclosure is made from 50% recycled material, 90% recycled material, recycled magnesium on the keyboard deck. And I thought this one was really cool, random, but really cool. But the keyboard caps are made from 50% recycled DVDs, and over 62% of the mechanical parts inside of this are made from recycled material. Hey everybody, Paul Harding back again. I believe this is vlog episode number 7. And we are here talking about HP and AMD as a part of this vlog series. In the last episode, we touched on security, and that's, AMD as the foundation in conjunction with Windows and HP to kind of create that triple security forces. And so by all means, check out that vlog. Really informative, with the help of my good friend and Ingram Technical Account Manager, Stephen Abrams, which I have him here again today. And today we're going to talk about a little bit of a tongue twister here, but it's sustainability and sanitization coming out of HP. So, especially in a pandemic world, right? Sanitizable products and that messaging is more important than ever. So we're going to dive a little bit into that. And then, of course, some of what HP and AMD are doing to design the most sustainable PCs in the world. So without further ado, Steve, I'll pass it back to you, man. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Paul. Steve Abrams, Technical Account Manager here at Ingram Micro, and I represent AMD. And Paul, like you were saying, AMD and HP, we're really combining to create a great message surrounding sustainability. And I think as an industry, we're kind of coming to the realization that we need to do a little bit better from a sustainability environment here. And recognizing that e-waste is really combining to have some nefarious effects on our environment that we can really control, and we can do a better job as an industry in combating. Some of the big things that we're interested in from an AMD HP's perspective are single-use plastics and non-biodegradable components. Those both combine to really have an adverse effect on our environment. And truthfully, we can't really continue at this pace without reimagining how we create products in electronics. And there's a finite amount of rare metals in the world, and seeing so much of that turning up in the dump or floating somewhere in the ocean, it's a sad state. And truthfully, we're looking to turn the corner there. And I think as an industry, we really are making good progress. Awareness is really the first step. And I think we're moving on past just awareness and trying to do something about the problem. And I know from an AMD perspective, our fabrication partner, TSMC, they use recycled water in the fabrication process of our silicon wafers, and HP does the same. So using recycled water in the creation of their materials and their products. And HP is also leading the way in the reuse of those rare metals. So again, not just having them end up in the waste dump someplace, reusing those, and also the ocean-bound plastic, making sure that those plastics that don't degrade very well don't end up in our oceans, and turning that around and recycling that and reusing that to a new and more sustainable product. So that's really terrific to see AMD and HP taking sustainability seriously. But on top of that, what kind of goes hand in hand is a sanitization story. So, crazy world that we're living in, obviously. Who would have thought that the durability of a product based upon the amount of times it could be sanitized would be an important feature. But sure enough, that's where we are. And, HP is saying that their devices can easily withstand over 1,000 wipes down with the Clorox spray or the sanitization towel, and not having their pieces degrade and deform. So again, that's another really big thing for sustainability, and having the sort of mobile workforces and challenges that we have, and a lot of verticals that have a public facing aspect that have multiple different users operating same machine throughout a course of a day, being able to wipe it down after every use or before the next use, and not having to worry about the degradability aspect of your notebook. That's a really good thing to see from HP. So hats off to them.
Steve, thank you. I did want to round that out. Specific to the 635 Aero that I did in the unboxing 2 vlog episodes ago, I just wanted to go over a few metrics here, which I thought were really cool, specific to this and across HP's Pro and Elite lineup. First and foremost, even the box itself, the outer box, is 100% sustainably sourced. And the fiber cushions that you see when you unbox the system, 100% sustainably sourced, 50% recycled aluminum lid. The speaker enclosure is made from 50% recycled material, 90% recycled material, recycled magnesium on the keyboard deck. And I thought this one was really cool, random, but really cool. But the keyboard caps are made from 50% recycled DVDs, and over 62% of the mechanical parts inside of this are made from recycled material. So like you said, Steve, sustainability is important now more than ever in our ever-changing world. And then lastly, like you said, with sanitization, this 635 G7 Aero, the 635 Aero can withstand over 1,000 wipes on the keyboard, sanitizing wipes without any discoloration, fading, or anything. So I thought this was really, really cool. Thanks again for the help here, man. It's always fun. And if you liked this content, please click the like or subscribe button below. The next vlog episode and the last vlog number 8 in our series here, we'll be going over some HP, AMD, and Ingram Micro resources and some call to action for you. So please check that out. And once again, thank you, and we'll see you soon.